Hello guys, I am Shani Sinojiya. Welcome to the ReactJS tutorial. Today, we will see Node.js installation and create first ReactJS app. First, we download Node.js and installation. Open the browser and search Node.js. Open the nodejs.org website and click the LTS version to download. Double-click downloaded the file to installation. For installation, click Next and install. Wait for installation complete. After completion, open terminal and enter command node v or npm v. If node and npm versions are you seeing, your Node.js installation is completed. Open your creating ReactJS application folder and open their folder in the terminal. Enter npx create React app first React app YouTube command. The command npx create React app first React app YouTube is used to create a new React application. npx is a tool that comes with npm, Node Package Manager, and it allows you to run packages without having to install them globally on your computer. Create React app is a package that helps set up a new React project with a basic file structure and configuration. First React app YouTube is the name of the new project that will be created. This command will create a new directory with the given name and set up a basic React application inside it. Enter create React command. Press Enter key. Wait for creation React app. After completion, open the project directory in the terminal using the command enter npm start to run a React app and it will open in your default browser. And friends, this is React app creation or Node.js installation completed. Thank you for watching.